Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to be doing a review and tutorial on, almost dropped it, this palette right here. So this is the NARS Wanted eyeshadow palette. I picked it up actually a while ago, but I haven't used it, and the colors are beautiful and I feel like they're so great for spring. So we're going to be doing a makeup look with this. No idea what we're doing just yet. I'm going to swatch all of these colors for you first, so if you want to skip that part and you just want to see the tutorial, please skip ahead a little bit. But without further ado, let's jump into it. Mwah! The one thing that I have trouble doing is, for some reason, I can't open this palette the right way. But here are all of the colors in the palette. Just super beautiful. We have some like pinky and reds. We have like a shimmery green, which is so pretty. And then a bunch of your transition colors. And of course, a black and a cream. Thank you, NARS, for putting in the colors that I use in every single freaking look. Thank you. Just thank you. Thank you. So starting off with the top row. Then we have the second row. And finally, this is the third row. The first one I just swatched there is literally my fave. So much pigment in these shadows. They're absolutely beautiful. The combination of colors is so stunning too. The only thing is, I would just say that I wish they had another green in there, but other than that, the palette is just stunning. So I don't really know what we're going to be doing with our eye makeup today, but I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're just going to kind of jump into it. I'm thinking for this look, we're going to go kind of dewy, kind of shimmery, I'm going to take my Shape Tape concealer and I'm going to do kind of like a half cut crease in the inner corner. So now I'm going to pop on some mascara, lashes, a little bit of eyeliner, and we'll be back to do the face. I want this skin to be super dewy, so before I apply any powder, I'm going to spray my Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have or are going to be creating a look with the new NARS Wanted palette, make sure to hashtag Beauty by Julia so that I can see it. And of course, as always, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, which you should if you haven't. And check out all of my other makeup tutorials right here. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you next time.